Hi everybody, at the bottom of this week's newsletter there is a video of Tiger Woods at the Players Championship last week hitting one of his notorious stinger shots with a long iron. So the whole idea of this shot is to try and keep the ball down, potentially under the wind a little bit, but mainly just to try and keep as much control on the ball as we can and try and stop sort of losing the control up in the air and maybe losing the direction. So the whole idea of that shot is just to try and punch one nice and flat down the fairway, get it on the ground as quickly as we can and try and get it rolling out rather than hitting a high towering drive, potentially if it's windy. So the club that he used was Taylormade's brand new P790 UDI. So this is a specific club that is only made in a 2-iron. Now this iron comes in a graphite shaft, so I've got it here to show you. So it looks like so. So the hollow head design on this iron, they do make a full set in this nowadays, all the way down to an approach wedge, but the 2-iron itself is made specifically with this shaft. So this is called a hazardous black. So it's a very low spinning, low flying shaft. So the whole idea is to complement the design of the head and the loft of the head, trying to keep the golf ball down in the air. But most 2-irons in the past have had heavy steel shafts in, so that's what's made them a little bit harder to use. So this one having a graphite in makes it feel a lot more like a hybrid, so make it easier to swing and easier to get the speed out of. However, the head is trying to keep the golf ball really down and really low for us. So I've been that impressed by this 2-iron that I've actually just ordered one myself, and I can't wait to get it and put it in the bag for these summery months when we want to just hit the ball down the fairway. They're a bit firmer and we want to get that ball releasing out and chasing out so that we can try and keep the ball on the fairway as much as we can. So I'm just going to hit a shot with the P790 for you, try and recreate Tiger's stinger, nice low bullet off a really small tee, and this will be perfect for this time of the year. Also, I thought I'd hit a shot just so you can hear the noise that this iron makes. It's very unique, not many irons make a noise as good as what this 2-iron does. There we go, nice and low, get that chasing down the fairway. So throughout the testing I've done with this 2-iron, I'm going to include a picture below this video so you can see my testing and see how low and flat it goes and how far it goes for an iron. So if you're thinking about maybe getting a club that's a bit of a fairway finder off the tee in these summer months, definitely one to try.